This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Coolant renewal. Open the bonnet by pulling the lever in the passenger's footwell and release the catch. Use the prop to support the bonnet. To drain the cooling system, first cover the expansion tank cap with a wad of rag and slowly turn the cap anti-clockwise to relieve the pressure in the cooling system. A hissing sound will normally be heard. Wait until any pressure remaining in the system is released. Then continue to turn the cap until it can be removed. Set the heater controls inside the vehicle to hot. Slacken the cooling system bleed screw in the heater hose from the heater control valve. Position a suitable container beneath the fuel cooler on the inside of the left-hand side chassis leg. Release the quick-release hose clips and disconnect the two lower coolant hoses from the cooler. Allow the coolant to drain into the container. When the flow of coolant has stopped, wipe clean the area around the fuel cooler and refit the hoses. To fully drain the system, also release the hose clip and remove the coolant hose from the oil thermostat on the oil filter housing. Allow any residual coolant to drain from the cylinder block into a container. When the flow of coolant has stopped, wipe clean the area around the filter housing and refit the hose, securing it in place with the retaining clip. Check that the expansion tank cap has been removed and the bleed screw in the top of the heater hose is slackened. Place a cloth around the bleed screw and ensure that the cabin heater controls are on maximum heat. Fill the system with the correct antifreeze mixture by slowly pouring the coolant into the expansion tank to prevent airlocks from forming. When coolant emerges from the bleed screw in the heater hose free of air bubbles, the bleed screw can then be tightened. Top up the expansion tank to the correct level, then refit the expansion tank cap. Start the engine and run it until it reaches normal operating temperature. Then stop the engine and allow it to cool. Check for leaks, particularly around disturbed components. Check the coolant level in the expansion tank and top up if necessary.